Everyone, welcome. All right, in this video, I have something I want to show you. Really powerful. All right, I'm going to give you one ticker, and I'm going to show you that ticker what it has done so far. For almost 2 years, all this thing does is just goes upwards. That's it. Had you invested since it started trading, or at any time after that up until now, you would not have lost any money. And this thing is going to continue doing this. Plus, it pays a powerful, not a small, but a powerful monthly dividend. Not annually, not quarterly, but every single month. So I put my money into this. My money goes up, it rises, it does great, and it pays me every month. I think that's perfect, right? So we'll look at that. But before I show you that, we're going to explain real quick what happened with CCG and how you could have known easily how CCG would have went all the way up to $200. This is the ticker that yesterday ran from $4 to $200 in one day. Are you serious? That's insane. But if you were in my Discord, you would have known about it because I have a specific tool that alerts for specific things. And had you look at it, you would have looked it up and you would have seen it and had the chance to get it. All right, let me explain real quick. First of all, you know what? First of all, let's look at DTCK. So why this can pop low float? This is a thumbnail of my video that I did for ticker symbol DTCK. And DTCK, as I have put this video together, is at 667. It actually has gone up already to $9 nearly. And as you are seeing this video now, I'm going to confuse you even more. You're seeing this video on the 20th of September. I am making this video, I'm recording this video on September 19th, but you're seeing on September 20th, right? So yeah, anyways, so as I'm recording this video, pretty much DTCK just went public and it's going off. But anyways, hope I didn't confuse you. When I did this video with this thumbnail and I said that it would pop, I had also said in that video there was a pre-order for $4 and that anyone who pre-ordered it for should sell on day one as soon as it goes up, right? So that was my opinion and it worked out exactly. Now, let's go to CCG, guys. Ticker symbol CCG, guys, on September 18 ran from $4 to $200 on the same exact day. In my Discord, I have a channel, Halts. And if you click on that, their alerts come in instantly, not late, not 5 seconds or 10 minutes or, instantly. Alerts come in and are posted here with great detail about any stock that has been halted. And what we do is, if we want to, right, we can come into the hold section. And let's say I was there on September 18, 2023 at 9:35 a.m. Eastern time when this thing was posted in my Discord, right? That's when the hold occurred for CCG, 9:35 a.m. And the stock at 9:35 a.m. the stock was trading like $10-15. That was it. So had I been in there at that time and I clicked on the holds and I saw the alert, or the alerts also you can have them come to your phone as push notifications. But anyways, had you seen it, guys, you would have done this. Okay, let me see what this alert is about. Hold CCG. Okay, so CCG was holded. And September 18, 2023, obviously the day I'm looking at it, 9:35 a.m. What's the reason? Message, volatility, trading pause. What would I do after seeing this alert? I would go and check out CCG on my trading app and look at one specific thing. Is it halted upwards with the direction of the stock going upwards and that's when it was halted? Or was the stock going downwards when it was halted? Obviously, we would have seen that CCG was halted upwards. That means that it is a bullish sign and then it would go higher after it would resume. And that would have drew my attention. I would have said, okay, I need to get into this. I need to put a limit buy order or a market order as soon as it resumes trading, so that I can write it up wherever it goes. And so we would have known about it. We could have, everybody who is in my Discord and checked this out and then looked it up and so on would have been able to have the chance to go way up to $200 with this. I also have dark pool and a bunch of other things, my picks, where you can see live what I buy and sell. And dark pool, for example, is awesome because you can see live what the big guys are buying. That's not something you would see in the news or in your broker app because it's in the dark pool, right? Look, dark pool is Basically, in a nutshell, where the rich and the super elite are buying huge blocks of a specific stock, they're buying huge amounts of a specific stock, or selling insane amounts, big amounts of a specific stock. And the dark pool was created. This is, perfectly legal, so that they say that it was created and people can trade there, and basically the world doesn't know. Most of the world doesn't know, so that it doesn't affect the market conditions or sentiment and so on. Anyways, but you can see live what they buy and sell, and I've been able to get some really good trades out of that, just being able to see what the big guys are doing. So that's awesome. If you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below, or in the description of the video, or in the about part of the channel. So let's move on now to CCG. That's when it went up to $200. The alert came like literally right here, and then it ran off. All right, so that was awesome. So we're looking at this now. Why am I putting this? Why is the government, we have, about the government potential shutdown due to the debt crisis and so on. But there's something that just doesn't understand anything. Doesn't understand anything about what's going on in the world. Doesn't understand anything about inflation. Doesn't understand anything about Fed rate hikes. Isn't scared about Jerome Powell. Isn't scared of anything. This specific stock just goes higher. What is it? Let's get to it. I'm sure everyone's like, Mike, where's the ticker? All right, so I just want to show you. Look at this. This is beautiful, right? This is over a year and a half now. Okay, so the ticker, guys, is PFRL. PFRL, trading at $50.81. It went public like 45 or 44 around there, and so it's at 50.81 now. It was halfway in 2022 around there when it went public. And if we zoom into this chart and we come here, right here, you see the D's. All these D's are the dividends paid every single month. So basically, if you invest in the beginning when this went public, and you'd be way up, and you'd have collected all these gorgeous dividends. But at any time you invested in this, a month, 3 months, 6 months ago, whatever, 5 months ago, you'd still be up. That's all it does. It goes up. It pays great dividends. So for the 1 month, it's up 1.47%. If you were in it the past 3 months, you'd be up 4%. If you were in it the past 6 months, you'd be up 8%. If you were in it the past 1 year, you'd be up 10.2%. If you were in it the past year and a half, you'd be up 11.2%. Awesome, right? And so under normal market condition, the fund invests at least 80% of its investable assets in floating rate loans and other floating rate debt securities. It may also do things like in securities of issues located in emerging markets, which I think is awesome, right? So it has flexibility. With that being said, guys, the dividend is stunning, and it is every single month. And I say stunning because it's one thing to get dividends, but what's the point if the money you had put in to buy the stock or the ETF or so on goes down, and you're losing value, which like you have $200 invested, right? I'm just making up a number now, and that $200 6 months later is worth $80. But Mike, I was getting dividends. Yeah, okay, put the dividends now with the 80. You're back to where, right? You want the money to go up. You want your money to grow that you invested in it, and then also add the dividends, right? So this has been paying on an average of about 40 cents every single month. Every single month. I think that's awesome, guys. That's amazing. That's amazing. And now the final thing I want to talk about is Klaviyo Incorporation, which is going public today. Now that you're seeing this video, it's going public today. KVYO. I have done a full video review and analysis of this. The thumbnail is this, but I have done it. You can check it out on my YouTube channel if you want to learn about Klaviyo Incorporation, which is going public at $27 to $29, 19.2 million shares. It's going to be an amazing company. I hope it stays at 27 to 29 and does not open much higher like Instacart did. With that being said, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I wish you all the best. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.